Welcome to our special interview show. Today we're joined by a truly movie superstar who has conquered the big screen. But today we want to take a step back and talk about something more personal. The school date. Thanks you so much for being here. How do you remember your time at school? Did you enjoy going, or was I more of obligation? What what was your favorite subject and with? Was there was there a subject you absolutely couldn't stand? What kind of student were you? Studios distracted a group leader. Did you play in sport? Did you compete at a school level? Did you have any special hobbies and the time like theater, music, or Darwin? Do you remember any teacher who really had an impact on you? Why? Did you have a closer group of friends? What were they like? Did you enjoy public speaking or were you more on the shy side? What's one thing you definitely didn't like doing at school? If you could go back to school for just one day, what would you do differently? Oh wow, my school years were a roller coaster. There were amazing moments, but also some tough ones. I like going, mostly because of my friends, but I hated Monday mornings. My favorite subject was history. I was fascinated by ancient story, wars, revolution. I think that's where my love for storytelling began, which is what I do now as an actor. We don't add about math. I never connect why numbers. It all felt so abstract. And my teacher, being super serious, didn't help either. I was a bit distracted, to be honest, and I dreamed that I was the best and they got grades, but I was stuck out when I'm coming to interpretation or creative projects. Yes, I played on the school volleyball team for 2 years. I was the best answering about it lost. The team atmosphere. Love school theater. I took part in several plays, and every time was super nervous at first. I ended up loving it. I also enjoyed writing short scripts at home. Yes, my literature teacher, Miss Gomez, she was the first person to tell me I have a talent for expression, that I had something special when read aloud. She made my belief in myself. I have a small group of their close friends, still in touch they were Why were the kings what limited teachers and launched uncruel palette during recess. We go into trouble often, but never with bad intention. I used to be she at first, but life by live come off on myself. Theater helped a lot with that. Now, of course, talking in front of camera feels natural. I hated waking up early. Class and 7 a.m. were tour. I also hated pop guys. If it could go bad for just one day, it cared less about fitting it or being popular. I enjoy the moments more and threw myself into more things way too worrying about was undertone.